Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a video of how to change a chainsaw on STIHL chainsaw. So as you can see, I got a STIHL MS180. So you need some tools before we start. I'm just gonna go through. You need a flat head screwdriver. So normally this T-spanner comes when you buy the STIHL chainsaw. But if you don't get it, that's fine. So all you need is either 19 socket or 13 socket, and obviously gloves for the safety and the socket wrench. So as I already have this T-bar, I'm not gonna use these spanners. So let's start. So I'm just gonna put the gloves on. Yeah. So you need to undo these too. Don't lose them. Usually the chainsaw comes either with this size or this size. I put it different sizes just to make a video, but normally you don't get different sizes, you get same sizes of these two nuts. So you remove this cover and just simply just move this chain. You can see. So just make sure you check this. It's all freely moving, you can see, and there's no cuts. It's all nice and clean. And just put that here like this. And then simply put it here. So see that this little pin is to tight the chain. So that little pin goes in this hole. So just simply don't get it, just go in this direction because this is the easiest way, otherwise the chain keep coming. So as you can see, I put the chain, but the teeth are facing this way. So that should be that way. So I did it just to show you that this is the wrong way. These teeth, as you can see, they should be facing that way. So I'm just gonna remove that and simply flick it around and just go in this direct, this position. This position is easy, so the chain actually sits in the groove properly. You can see this is all fit, so just put that cover back. The cover back. So just don't tight it fully because you wanna tight the chain. Just tight it a little bit so there's enough play to tight the chain. So as you can see, the chain is pretty tight, but the chain is pretty tight. But if you want to tighten the chain, normally some chainsaw got a screw here to tighten it, but this one got a screw here. As you can see, it's here. So you just turn that screw clockwise, and this is too much play, so you want to have, yeah, that's better. So you don't want to tighten it fully, you still want a little bit play, and then just make sure you tie these. So when you want to tie it, just put it like this, and then hold it, and do this way. It's the easiest way and safe way. I did it this way so I can make a video, but so once you've done that, you can see it's all done. So make sure, see the teeth are facing that way. You can see the sharp bit is facing that way, and then it's going to remove the gloves. So the chain has been done. So as you can see, this side is for the fuel. So this sign is normally a fuel sign. So this one got petrol. This is a 2T. So you got to mix 2T oil with the petrol. You can't put straight petrol in there. You got to mix it. And this side, if you open it, this is actually chain oil, or cutter bar and chain lubricant. So make sure this is full before you use it, and read the sign that you put in the right bottle. Normally people do mistake, they put chain oil here and petrol mix here, so you don't want to do it. This is for the petrol mix, this is for the chain oil. So yeah, that's it, and thanks for watching. I will see you guys with my next video. Thank you.